with I am studying sixth concept in Ratnam University. The topic is how to change your day of thinking. Day of thinking on your life. Challenging of necessary for we discussing for challenging life and selected for we great amount of some examples. I buy one book cost 50 rupees. I ask my village, I ask for you me one more for the channel of the necessary for most important for the I buy one book that cost 50 rupees. 50 rupees. I ask 25 rupees. Not given. I buy given to 25 rupees. Not given to 25 rupees. I give. So what do you want to come? 25 rupees. I can go. Right. Thank you for the views and for thank you.